In this series of videos, we are going to talk about how to swap two faces in Gimp. We're going to start off with the transformation tools. First of all, open the image. Next, use the Lasso selection tool to select the face of the dad. Press Ctrl C to copy and then press Ctrl V to paste. This will create a new layer named Floating Selection. Right-click on the new layer and to New Layer. Double-click on the new layer and rename it to Set the opacity of the layer to about 50%. Next, select the Move tool. Click and drag the dad's face so that it is next to the baby's face. Now we want to rotate the dad's face. Select the Rotate tool. Click on the face. The Rotate window pops up and the selection gets covered by a grid. Use the slider to rotate the face slightly upwards. Click on Rotate when you are done. Now we resize. Select the Scale tool. Click anywhere on the canvas. A grid should appear and a window named Scale should pop up. Move some of the large squares on the edges of the grid to resize the head so that it fits neatly over the head of the baby. Click on the Scale button when done. Set the opacity of the layer back to 100%. Next, we want to move the baby's shoulder to the foreground. Click on the eye next to the dad's face layer to make the layer invisible. Select the layer for face swap.jpg. Use the Lasso selection tool to select the shoulder. Press Ctrl C to copy and then Ctrl V to paste. Rename the layer to Baby's Shoulder. Unhide the layer of the dad's face. In this worksheet, we have learned about the Move tool, the Rotate tool, the Scale tool. We have also learned how we can use selections and multiple layers to move parts of a background picture to the foreground. There are still some pretty obvious hard edges and glitches in the result though. For example, we can still see the baby's fingers on top of the dad's head. We will cover how to solve this in the next worksheet. See you next time. Bye bye.